Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick little DIY with these dollar store pumpkins that I purchased and some old paint that I have in the garage. I'm going to use that, some gray and some turquoise. I'm going to paint these. I'll probably take the tips off of them and put find a stick or something to put in there, make it look a little bit more realistic. Got my handy paintbrush right here. So hope you guys stay tuned and hope you enjoy this video. So I gave these about 2 coats of paint, and I just went outside and grabbed a stick, and I'm just gonna break the stick apart. I've already put one on top of here. I think it's, hey, whatever. It just makes it look more natural because I'm gonna put this on a little tablescape anyway. So I'm gonna break a piece of this off too and put it into this one and also into the third one that I have. And I have a little bit of some silver paint that I'm probably going to touch up on these as well. And so when I get done with that, I'll come back and show you guys the final product. Okay, so I have this tray that I'm going to put everything in to make my little tablescape. It's a little tray that I got from Big Lots. I think it was $6.99, I think, but it's nice. It's cute. Had the little stripes on the center of it. So I'm going to, and then I got all these picks. All these different picks that I'm going to kind of fill it in with. And then I got this little basket of pumpkins from Walmart. I think it was $3. And I'm just going to fill it all up and show you guys what the final product looks like. And this is also something I'm going to reuse too. It's one of those reed diffusers. It's kind of, all the oil is kind of sucked out of it, but I'm going to put some of these picks that I found. And I'm going to probably put that in there as well. But I thought, why not reuse that and stick a pick in there like that? And I thought it turned out really, really cute. I thought it'd be cute to just stick the picks in there and put that also in there as well as a part of the tablescape. And then I'll probably just get some more oil and fill it back up. I just wanted to reuse it. I thought it was a cute bottle, so I'll reuse that as well in this project. So I found this little chalkboard in another room, and I may have my daughter write something on that, but I think it turned out cute. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this third pumpkin that I made. I may put that in the room as well because I'm going to put all of this stuff in the dining room and in the living room. These are some placemats that I got at home. They were regular $3.99, but they were half off. They were on clearance, and I had my daughter write. She does great calligraphy. She wrote on these for me, and I'm going to make them into pillows. And I'm sure you've seen that before. I also found this little cute little 5x7 frame. It was at Goodwill for, what was it, $1.99, and I also had her write something on that for me. But that's a whole different project. That's going in the bathroom. But since she was doing stuff for me, I just had her write on that for me as well. It's just written on a piece of paper. That's all it is. I found some paper, craft paper at Hobby Lobby. So I got all 3 of these stuffed with the polyfill, and this is just a polyfill that I bought. It was from Walmart. It was 16 ounces. So got them all stuffed. When I did try to go back and glue this with E6000, it just wasn't working. So I'm just gonna hand stitch them and close these pillows up, but I think they turned out great. And I have one more that I need to do, so I'll let you guys see what the finished product looks like. Table, and here's the other one. And this is just a little vignette that I created with an old diffuser bottle, and I just stuck some fall foliage in there. And then this is one of the pumpkins that I made as well. And I'll show you the others that are in the gray ones, the ones that I created as well. And these, I also did the same thing with those. I bought some kitchen towels and stuffed them with some polyfill. And I think those turned out great as well. And here is my little fall vignette that I created. And my daughter wrote on the sign for me. She wrote on both sides, which I think that turned out really, really great too. My little pumpkins turned out good. I'm excited about that. So yeah, so this is my little fall vignette that I put together. Got my sign up, and I think we're ready for fall. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.